Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, a lot of fog and clouds at the coast today, but it was a different story inland. In fact, let's take you to a time lapse from Pasco. This is earlier this evening with a mix of clouds and sun. Just a gorgeous sunset out here. And as we take a look at tomorrow versus today, there will be a few changes on the way. Most of them will be mother approved for Mother's Day. Tomorrow will be a bit warmer, also more humid. In fact, as that sun comes out during the afternoon, some people may be saying it's a little bit too warm. Hard to believe that people would complain, right? We'll be tracking on and now. Here's the good thing. It doesn't look like this will be a serious situation for southern New England. We'll get some increasing swells as we head into Monday night and Tuesday, but really we're not expecting significant impacts from that storm. And then some showers to start off the work week. This will not be a washout. In fact, these showers may be very spotty, where most of the time it is actually rain-free. Taking a look now at our satellite picture, not a lot going on. We have the low clouds, we have the fog, basically a lot of junk in the atmosphere. Now a more serious situation down across the coast of North and South Carolina. Here is Anna, right now a tropical storm with winds of 60 miles an hour. Now we'll see this storm kind of meander over the mid-Atlantic over the next 24 hours and then eventually track up to the north. But by the time it makes a close pass here in southern New England on Monday night or Tuesday, we'll just get the leftovers. In fact, the leftovers will combine with a front that sweeps through Tuesday night, which may bring some gusty thunderstorms and a few downpours. But again, at that point, it will no longer be a tropical storm. So that's why on the Eyewitness News Threat Tracker, I will leave you in the low category through Monday. Of course, we'll let you know if the track of that should change, and we would adjust that threat tracker. Temperatures right now, mid-50s in Providence, 63 Gloucester, 64 Coventry, 57 in Integrat. Temperatures really not moving very far overnight through tomorrow morning. We will get some low cloud cover and fog to start the day, but by 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning in Providence, expecting to clear that out. And then partly sunny skies, a pretty rapid warm-up you can see by 3 o'clock in the afternoon with the flowers for mom. We're looking at 79, possibly 80 degrees with some gusty winds moving in during the afternoon. Could see some gusts of around 25 miles an hour. Now watch what happens at the coast. Tomorrow morning in the low 60s with the fog. By mid to late morning, expecting to clear out the fog, and then partly sunny skies at the coast. So notice around 71 New Bedford, mid 60s here from Westerly to Jamestown to Newport. So although we don't completely get rid of the clouds tomorrow, it has certainly improved over the beach conditions that we saw today. And then 4 o'clock, you could see mid 60s at the coast, and then some low 80s inland. Now this Providence temperature may be a little bit overdone, but I like the general rule of temperatures in the upper 70s to around 80 inland for tomorrow. Now, as we look at the 7-day Futurecast, you can see that Monday and Tuesday have the showers and storms. However, it's not a washout. Again, some increasing swells likely Monday night into Tuesday, courtesy of Anna's remnants, and also the storm itself kind of pumping up those larger waves down from the south. But once we get through that front combined with Anna's leftovers on Tuesday night, it cleans out the atmosphere. So on Wednesday, humidity is gone, temperature is 70, and it is very pleasant to end the week, Jared. Temperatures in the mid-60s with mostly sunny skies. And at least at this point, Jared, I don't see any backdoor cold fronts in the forecast, which I know you're not a big fan of.
They come out of nowhere.
They do.
And the door gets slammed very quickly.
It does, yeah. A couple days ago, that was remarkable.
It was, just a plunge in temperatures. One last thing. Now, did you have the flowers graphic for Mother's Day in the earlier part of the forecast, or that was only earlier tonight?
I had it both tonight and at our 6 p.m. broadcast. Yeah, because I know you asked to put it there for your mother, so of course I went along with that request.
We're making up for not having the leprechaun with the corncob pipe on
St. Patrick's Day, yes. So we're going to put a lot of those flower graphics up there for Mom.
Okay. Pete, thank you so much. Still to come tonight.